Good morning students, my name is Sarabjit Singh. In class 6 we were discussing tenses, so today we will continue our topic. So we were discussing exercise F earlier, so today we will continue exercise G. Okay, exercise G on page number 83. First one, ask for the information in the bold part of the sentences. Means you have to just ask for the permission of the sentences. They have talked about art at school. Means at school places के लिए we know we use where, है ना. Places एक direction है उनके लिए where use करते हैं. तो a permission will be with that. Where have they talked about art? Art at school basically indicate करता है about places. तो places के लिए we use where. So where have they talked about art? Jane has got a letter. A letter thing. Thing के लिए we use what. So what has Jane got? Third, Oliver has cooked dinner. Oliver name. The name we use who. Who has cooked dinner? Fourth one, Karen has read 7 pages. 7 pages number. So how many pages has Karen read? Fifth one, you have heard the song 100 times. Repetition. So how often have you heard the song? How often have you heard the song? Fine. So that was basically exercise G. Exercise H. You are asking somebody questions about things he or she has done. Make questions from the words in the brackets. तो इसमें हम basically questions format में convert करेंगे. Most beautiful place ever visit. So what is a given है? So what is the most beautiful place you have ever visited? What is the most beautiful place you have ever visited? Second one, always live in this town. Have you always lived in this town? Ever speak famous person? Have you ever spoken to a famous person? Ever run marathon? Have you ever run in a marathon? Ever ride horse? Simple. Have you ever ridden a horse? Fine. As simple as that. Complete these sentences using today, this year, this term. Okay. Our school team won a lot of games last year, but we have not, means आपको इसमें today, this year करके formation change करनी है. But we have not won any game this year. But we have not won any game. Second one, it snowed a lot last winter, but it has not snowed. कोई year month add करना है, but it has not snowed much in this winter. Tracy worked hard at school last term, but उसने मेहनत करी. We can use but she has not worked very Tracy worked hard at school last term, but she has not worked very just like last term, है ना. Last year the company made a profit, but this year it has not made a profit. I read the newspaper yesterday, but I have not read the newspaper today. मीन्स इसमें आपको अपनी तरफ से एडिशनली कुछ भी ऐड कर देना है विदाउट मेकिंग ए सेंस कि आप इसमें क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं. जस्ट लाइक our football team won a lots of game last season but हम नहीं जीते, but we have not won any game this year. Okay, it's not a lot last winter but it has not snowed much this winter. इस year नहीं हुआ है because आपको यहाँ पे today, this year, this term add करना है, just like आपने ऐसे यहाँ पे किया. Fine. So the next topic is present perfect continuous. So basically it is express what is action began in the past and has been in the progress till the time of speaking. जो पास से शुरू हुआ है और बेसिकली वो अभी भी चल रहा है. फाइन. जैसे कि मैं 2 घंटे से आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ, है ना, और आप 1 ईयर से स्टडी कर रहे हैं इन दैट फॉर्मेट. दैट मीन्स द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन दैट बिगेन इन द पास्ट, जो बीते हुए समय में शुरू हो चुका है, एंड हैज़ बीन इन प्रोग्रेस टिल द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर द बस सिंस 9 o'clock. टाइम फिक्स है तो आपने सिंस का यूज़ किया. अगर वो काफ़ी टाइम से शुरू है और आपको वो चीज़ क्लियर नहीं है तो आप वो फॉर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आई स्टार्टेड वेटिंग एट 9 o'clock एंड आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग, यानी कि आपने 9 o'clock से शुरू किया था और अभी भी आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स जो एक्शन पास्ट में शुरू हो चुका है और अभी भी वो कंटिन्यू है, तब यूज़ करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन फिनिश्ड जस्ट अ शॉर्ट वाइल एगो. मीन्स थोड़े टाइम पहले आपने इसको शुरू किया है और वो कंटिन्यू में चल रहा है. फाइन. तो वही है यहाँ पर. लेट्स सी द रूल ऑफ इट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट continuous. That means in affirmative cases we have to use subject has have plus been plus verb की first form plus ing plus object plus since for. Certain period के लिए since का use करेंगे, uncertain के लिए you can use for. Fine. In we can take the example of it. Clear? Subject has have, been, ing, object, since or for. Fine. In the case of negative, that means clear. In the case of interrogative, fine. In the case of interrogative negative, in the case of double interrogative, double interrogative negative cases में clear. So that was a basic intro of present perfect continuous. In upcoming lecture we will continue it and with the exercise work. Fine. Thank you so much.